Today I am going to discuss about how to study medicine for your prof exams as well as for your university exams also. I will be discussing complete understanding for the medicine, which book to prefer, which not to, which system to start first and which system is important. So what will be approach for the medicine, all detail will be explained in the video. So stay tuned with the video and watch till the end. So it will be helpful in your exam, and end of the video I will be discussing 3 hacks for the medicine and it will help to crack any of the MCQ in your exam. So let's start without any further delay. And medicine is the system wise approach. In the medicine there will be multiple systems like CVS, RS, Neuro, GIT, acid base, endo, criminology, infectious and emergency medicine also. But which system to start first? Because CVS, RS and Neuro credits the most and hot favorite topic for the examiner. So you have to focus this system first, and it is the important for university and major case presentation in your final year exams also. So with this CVS, RS and Neuro is the basic first systems you have to start, and after that completing these systems you can move on to these subjects. And with complete understanding of these systems for the extra preparations for your exams, you can move on to the infectious and emergency medicine. This will be an upcoming hot favorite topic for the examiner, because the approach for these systems in the PG are increasing day by day. So your approach will be this way, this system first, and after that you can follow these systems as I am following now. Okay, so without starting understanding of medicine, you have to focus your basic subject first. Remember, if your basic subject is clear and crystal, so you are understanding the medicine in a simple and smart way. If your basic subject is not clear, your first and prof subjects, your medicine will be difficult to understand and medicine will be a tough subject for you. So I would like to recommend you focus the basic understanding and basic subject first before starting actual subjects. Okay, so this will be a approach for you as a single line. Let's take a example for respiratory system, and I have developed the triple P technique. Which technique? Triple P, and I am following this pathway to understand and correlate medicine in smart way. So let's take an example for respiratory systems. If you are starting with the respiratory physiology, understanding of alveolar gas exchange, spirometry and respiratory physiology. Complete understanding of physiology take you to pathology of chronic bronchitis, asthma, COPD, emphysema, to tell you that in pathology something impairment in the physiology lead to the pathological impairment and pathological disease. Gaseous exchange or respiratory physiological impairment lead to pathology, and from stop the progression of the disease, we are getting the benefit of the pharmacological therapy to stop and decrease the progression of the disease. So starting with the physiology, you got the understanding with the patho also and with pharma also. With triple P, these subjects, you are starting the medicine. Medicine will teach you, if a patient, 65-year-old patient came to your clinic, start presenting as the breathlessness, dyspnea, orthopnea, difficulty in breathing, hemoptysis or chronic cough. So what will be your diagnosis? This clinical approach will be starting with the medicine. You can understand with this combination of subjects. Medicine will teach you clinical approach for the subjects and clinical approach to the patient to diagnose this patient with the symptoms and treat according to their symptoms. Okay, and with this understanding, if you are following this path, it is the integrated approach for your studies. Okay, integrated approach will lead to solve in your next exams MCQ also, which is the clinical case discussion I am also discussing in my previous videos also. So with the medicine understanding, your medicine will be a crystal clear subjects like anything, and it will be a guarantee of mind. If you are following this pathway, your medicine will be a crystal clear subjects for a sure, because your basic understanding needs to create a base to start actual subjects of medicine. If you are directly starting with the medicine, you are not going to understand, because the medicine is a tough subject. You have to take it as a smartly and wisely to understand it. Okay, with this understanding, let's take an example which strategy you can use to start your medicine subjects for your third year students as well as pre-final and final year students. You can start with medicine is the subject-wise approach or system-wise approach. Subject-wise approach is the generally all students are using, completely understanding of physiopathy or medicine, each one subject completely learning, and after that they are starting next subject. But in my view, this approach is the less beneficial, but you can start with the system-wise approach, because system-wise approach is the integrated approach, and in the changing of exam pattern you have to start system-wise approach for this next exams and in the theory exams for next. Because if you are understanding of this pathway, clinical approach for your understanding will be clear for sure. So you can start, because system-wise approach can take you the actual understanding for the medicine and actual understanding for the patient, and integrated way and smartly and wisely to understand single subjects easily. So how to start in the third year and in the final year, how to prepare? There will be different strategies I have made. For the third year students, you can follow systemized approach, because starting with the best way, you can take full advantage of the medicine subjects in your end of the exam day. Because starting with the systemized approach, your understanding for the medicine is the easy. And you started with the medicine subjects, systemized approach, and your understanding for the basic subjects you are taken, and actual subjects for the clinical approach for the medicine you are getting, and follow the one standard source like Harrison, Davidson, Kumar and Clark and CMDT available books. You can prefer any of these, but I will be telling you which book to prefer in the next video. So for the third year students, take advantage of the CBS system, start example for systemized approach, correlate with your basic understanding and integrate it with the medicine, and follow any standard source for medicine. After read the theory, make a notes for important points and solve question bank end of the day, because ultimately we have to solve questions in our exams. Okay, and for the pre-final and final strategies, my advice is that if you have not started the medicine and if you are starting medicine for first time, so take out the printed notes. If you don't have much time, or if you have time and you want to make your own notes, then start making notes from any of the faculty, whichever you like, you can choose. Start making your own notes, follow the clinics if you are going, and if you are not going, then okay, you can follow the virtual clinical idea, virtual understanding for the clinics. For some way it will be helpful to build your knowledge, and after opening the college you can apply your knowledge to the patients, follow clinics and understand the basic skills from YouTube, or now the platforms are giving the practical videos and Viva preparation videos also. So you can take out these videos for your understanding of subjects. So follow class notes, clinical understanding, basic skill understanding from the sources, online platforms, and end of the day also you have to solve question banks, because your main focus is to solve question banks with reading and revising your notes. Because you have less time, so you have to concentrate question banks and find your weak area. Finding with weak area, read the topic again and clear the topic doubt and solve question banks again. And if you have questions, tell to faculty to answer and clear your doubts with the same your questions. For understanding, read theory first, make your own notes, solve question banks, and if you are finding this chronic bronchitis, for example, is my weak topic, point of that topic, find a weak area as I told you, reread the topic, revise the topic and solve question bank again, and take out the important points from that and revise it again and again. It will be helpful to understand medicine subject easily. Ultimately your goal should be to solve questions from medicine subject with the integrated way as I told you, if you are following this part. Not a worry if you are starting with this year final year, don't worry, your faculty will teach you some amount of understanding of basic subjects with each and every topic. So you will be clear your concept in that. For deep approach and for your reference approach, you can follow any of the textbooks for reference purpose only. Okay. And for the upcoming next exams, what will be approach for the students? Like mostly 2020 batch is the first to give your next examinations in the first time. There will be two steps, step 1 and step 2 with the theory, major subjects counting in the major medicine, surgery, gynec, pedia, ophthalmology, and PSM like subjects and allied subjects also for that subject. So you can follow theory as I told you in this part, because the next examination is going to be a clinical approach exam. If you are not following any smart way understanding for the subjects, you are facing the big problem, and medicine will be your tough subjects and you are not going to understand easily. Because of that, you have to follow this pathway, or follow any of approach you like, but follow it smartly and wisely so you can understand. And in the next video, I will be discussing theory books, practical next examination approach for your understanding. So stay tuned with the video. And I was telling which 3 hacks: follow question banks, bookmark question banks, find your weak zones. Like first is the find your weak zones, solve question banks, and make integrated approach for your subjects. If you are following this strategy, your medicine will be crystal clear than any of the subjects, and you are going to solve any of the questions from any of the platform for sure. If you have any questions, type in the comment box or mail me in my mail ID. I would like to respond you back as soon as possible as I can. Thank you so much guys, and keep learning. Thank you so much.